In today's technology-driven world, many CFOs are bookkeepers with the CFO title. The problem is that they rely heavily on technology to lead the relationship. And this prevents them from being able to explain in depth financial matters and strategies that will help your business grow. If you've ever asked your CFO questions centered around your net profit, cash flow, business metrics, employee financial impact, and other additional strategies, and they can't provide you detailed answers, that indicates that you may have the wrong accountant on your team. You may have a bookkeeper or an accountant posing as a CFO. Therefore, I will provide you with a few secret questions that you want to ask your CFO and a few secret things your CFO doesn't want you to know. But first, allow me to introduce myself. I am Octavia, CFO for six-figure women consultants and entrepreneurs who desire to gain financial clarity, control, and confidence so that they operate from a place of financial power and say yes to profits. Say Yes to Profits is a full-service accounting firm specializing in CFO services. We have a proven track record of helping over 90% of our clients grow anywhere between 30% and 350% within just 12 months. Now, this episode is powered by the Say Yes to Profits Master Plan live event. This is a full 2-day event for women entrepreneurs and consultants who are ready to operate from a place of financial power. During this event, we're going to create your profit plan and path to experience the ultimate financial success and breakthrough in 2023 and beyond. Secure your seat today and take advantage of our early bird ticket special before it ends by going to masterplan.sayyesToProfits.com. Now let's go ahead and jump into secret number 1. Your balance sheet identifies the true health of your business, not your profit and loss statement. Your balance sheet identifies the financial health of your business for a particular point in time. So you can pull your balance sheet right now and it will identify if your business is healthy financially or not. Now here's the thing. Your balance sheet details your total assets and your total liabilities and your equity. If your liabilities exceed your assets, you're actually operating your business upside down. Unfortunately, many bookkeepers posing as CFOs are not aware of this critical money problem. As a matter of fact, many of them do not understand the balance sheet enough to explain it. In addition, if you have a high asset balance, but most of your money is sitting in accounts receivables, that means that you have yet to collect on those funds. Oftentimes, you will look at your profit and loss statement and you will celebrate because you have a net profit at the bottom. But then you look at your bank account and you're confused. That is because the money is sitting in accounts receivables, which is on your balance sheet, not your profit and loss statement or your income statement. I use those two words interchangeably, but they mean the same thing. Now, unfortunately, many bookkeepers and accountants are not familiar with the balance sheet, and so they're unable to explain why you're experiencing this problem. As a matter of fact, they often want you to celebrate your net profit when in some cases, it's not worth celebrating. More about that later. Here's what you have to understand. You want to make sure that you're not paper profitable. Paper profitable is when you're profitable on your income statement, but then you log into your bank account and the money is not there, or you're experiencing cash flow problems. If that is the case, go back, look at your balance sheet, and take a look at the accounts receivables account. Now, this will lead to secret number 2, which is your net profit doesn't match your bank balance. Have you ever logged into your bank account and wondered where your money disappeared to and why? You show a net profit on the bottom of your profit and loss statement. And for a moment, you're happy. Your bookkeeper wants you to celebrate. Then you look at your bank account expecting that money in your account and you're totally confused about the discrepancy. And your bookkeeper, they can't explain it. Again, they're posing as a CFO. Now, the name of my company is Say Yes to Profits. And even though we want you to be profitable at all times, you will often hear me talk about paper profit or being truly profitable. You see, paper profit, again, is when you look at your income statement and you're profitable at the bottom. Then you log into your bank account and the money is not there. And here's why this is so important. 82% of businesses fail due to cash flow problems. Of that 82%, over 50% of those businesses were actually profitable on paper. And here's another secret. Your net profit and your bank balance, they may never match. And that is totally okay. And let me tell you why. If you generated a net loss on your income statement, but you had a grant that you received in, your net profit and your bank balance, they're not going to match. If you had a net profit on your income statement, but you have not collected the money, it is sitting on your balance sheet under accounts receivables, and your bank balance may not increase, and in most cases, it may decrease. Why? Because you still have daily operating expenses that you're paying for, but you have not collected on the money that is due to come in. So what do you do in this case? You want to first gain control of your accounts receivables. Next, you want to understand the relationship between your profit and loss statement and your balance sheet. Secret number 3, a forecast is more important than a budget. Why am I telling you this? Well, a forecast is vital to solving your money problems now and in the future. Unlike a budget, which is just a plan, a forecast will help you proactively project what will occur with all forms of money in and out of your business. You see, a forecast will include your revenue, expenses, net profit, net loss, loans, grants, credit card payments, owner's contributions, owner's distributions, and so much more. In most cases, your budget will only focus on your revenue, expenses, net profit, and net loss. And we just discussed why only focusing on those can be detrimental to your company, right? A forecast will shine a light on those items in addition to all of the other ways money is entering your company and money is leaving your company. This positions you to operate from a place of financial power. This also positions you to proactively spot money problems before they occur. You should create and maintain a forecast at a minimum on a monthly basis. And your forecast should identify the next 90 days in your business. Now, depending on your cash flow and financial risk, you may need to create a forecast that you maintain on a weekly basis. Again, a forecast is important and more important in most cases than a budget because it helps you proactively spot money problems and fix them immediately before they can become detrimental to your company. Now, I've only provided 3 secrets. However, there are several. The bottom line is if you have questions that your CFO cannot answer regarding your cash flow, profits, business metric, and overall growth strategies, you have the wrong accountant on your team. What you should do is click the link in this description or go to sayyestопроfits.com/session and schedule a complimentary discovery session with us today. During that complimentary discovery session, you'll get a glimpse into how we have helped over 90% of our clients grow anywhere between 30% and 350 within just 12 months. You see, Say Yes to Profits is a full-service accounting firm that specializes in CFO services by completing a 9-step process and program designed for 6-figure women consultants and entrepreneurs. This 9-step Say Yes to Profits program has been instrumental in helping our clients maximize cash flow and Profits. When you work with Say Yes to Profits, you receive a full service accounting team that consists of a bookkeeper, a tax accountant, and a CFO, all working on your behalf. So for more information, go to sayyes2profits.com/session and schedule your complimentary discovery session today. If you have any questions and comments, definitely leave those below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed this episode, leave us a raving review right now. This is Octavia Conner. Until next time, say yes to profits. Toodles. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Say Yes to Profits podcast. Download your free gift from this episode by clicking the link in the description. Also connect with me on Instagram at Octavia Conner CFO. And if you would like a glimpse into how we help our consulting clients manifest, maximize, and maintain profitable $1 million firms, schedule a discovery session today at sayyes2profits.com/session. Until next